at Specsavers, we're in a really unique position. We now have the largest data set of patient outcomes internationally. And so what we've realised is we're in a unique position to analyse the data, if you like, with a bird's eye view and understand the little incremental clinical activities that optometrists do in order to affect best outcomes for patients. One of the aspects of benchmark reporting that's really key to driving all the clinical initiatives that we're working on at the moment is the ability to provide granular data to our optometrists. So particularly in the realms of glaucoma and diabetes at this point in time, it is really fundamentally important to optometrists that they understand the cohort of patients they're seeing with in these particular disease categories and how their detection rates compare to population prevalence.
What we have seen has been quite a revelation in that our optometrists have been able to receive an individual report that they can track their performance on in terms of both their patient outcomes and just in terms of any learning opportunity that there might be. Now, where we see this work exceptionally well is the ability to have a peer-to-peer discussion, in particular the optometry partner in our practices, taking the time out each week to sit with each optometrist and be able to identify some of the areas in which they've made some amazing impacts in patient outcomes, but also to identify any learning opportunities. So what we've learnt from benchmark reporting is that over time, looking at the data, we're actually able to see a sustainable impact on patient outcomes. Our initiatives, such as the OCT rollout through every store in Australia and New Zealand, has given us the ability to do things like same-day visual fields, to increase our percentage of visual fields performed in the population, all leading to a sustainable impact of reducing avoidable blindness through glaucoma. So what we're trying to achieve, and I believe we're well on the way to achieving this, is a really nice balance between clinical excellence and commercial productivity. We know that in an affordable eye care system, we can access many, many more patients and drive those patient outcomes that are so needed in our community.